Hey guys, welcome to our alarm system kit builder tutorial. Today I'm just going to be going over how these builders work, all the features and things you'll see while doing it. They all look very similar, but I'm going to be using the DSC Neo for this tutorial. So once you open it up, this is the screen you'll see. And up here, it's going to show the title for the step that you are on. Right below that is a description for that step. This box here is going to give you all the different products or choices for that step. And then this gray box here is actually all of the items that have been added. There's a few items in here to start with, and these are required components. I'll go over that in just a moment. But from here, we'll basically just start choosing what we want. So this is a Neo. If we want both hardwired and wireless, we choose hybrid. Click next. This is going to ask you the system size. So for the DSC Neo, there's multiple different sizes of systems. This very first one's a 32 zone. This is the most common, so we'll add that. As you can see, this has an additional box, and it's going to do that from here on out. This is another total of all the items that are in here. So as you can see, when we added that, it puts it up there. You'll see the picture. Click next again, and these are the three items that were already added. So these are required power components. One's a piece of wire for the transformer. The second item is the transformer itself, and the third item is a battery. So all of these are required to power your system, so they cannot be changed or removed. Once you've acknowledged that, just click next, and it's going to take you through all of the items that work with the DSC Neo. So on this page in particular is extra wire or wire management devices. This is a wireless transceiver. If you're doing a wireless system, you will need to choose a receiver. It won't let you go to the next step until you do. So add one of those, click next. And then from here, we're just going to be choosing all of the items we want on our system. So this step is wired zone expanders. One thing to note about zone expanders, you do not need them for wireless zones. They are only for additional hardwired zone terminals. So if you're doing wireless, you do not need to worry about zone expanders. Next step is keypads, etc. All of the hardwired components are first, and then it will go into wireless. So I'm going to actually skip to the end here because there's a couple things I want to go over before we're done. This step right here is going to be at the end of all builders. This is the third to last step. Basically, it's a programming service that we provide. So if you want us to program the system before we send it out to you so that you guys can just install it and be good to go, that is an option we provide. You'll just add that item and we will email you with a form. You fill out the form with system information, and then we will program it and ship the system out. So if you want that, just add it, click next. And then this is the second to last step. This provides you with some important details about the builder themselves. Basically, it's just telling you that we are going to check the system before we send it out. If we see any discrepancies or anything that might need added, like power supplies, etc., we will get a hold of you to let you know that that is needed. When you get to this screen, this is the very last step. It is for additional items that you are unsure of. If there's anything you'd like to add to the system, but you're unsure of what you need to do so, you can add it in here, leave a little note. We'll take a look at this after the purchase is made, and we will reach out to assist you with any of your questions. Once you're done, you'll click complete. And it's going to start adding all of the items to the cart. This step does take a couple moments because it's pulling all the items from the website all at once. So it's a little bit slow. Apologize for that. But once it is done, it will add those items to the cart. So this is the page you will see whenever it's done adding all the products. So if you want to see what's in the builder, you can click right here. It's going to pop up with this screen telling you all of the items that you added to the builder. And from there, you can continue perusing the site as you wish. If you want to go look at hardwired sensors, whatever the case may be. Whenever you go back to the cart, that item will still be there. But basically, from there, you'll just complete your checkout as normal, take you through the shipping options, things like that, and then to payment method. And like I said, if there's anything else you need, there's an info box at the end of all the builders, and there's also an add note section here as well. So hope you guys enjoy using the builder. We had a lot of fun making it, so hope that it helps you guys out in building your alarm systems.